Hello world, I just released a new raw clip that I recorded a few days ago. It was the end of a very long day, probably the longest day we spent at the oncology department with my wife. As you know, we are fighting a battle against cancer, so I got back home, took care of my wife. I didn't even have the time to remove the blue bracelet they gave me at the hospital. I head back to the studio and switch on the scenes, and I unplugged just for a little while to recharge and to test this live electronic framework that I'm using for the live shows. And I thought to share it with you. I recorded, I filmed it to know what you think about it. Yeah, if you like it, if you don't, if you have any suggestions, any feedback that I can take with me back in the studio, and to move the development of this live framework. And I very much look forward to hear your thoughts about it. Also, I invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and to share it with your friends. If you have friends that are interested in live electronic music, experimental music, share it with them and invite them to become part of this community. We are aiming at 1,000 subscribers. That's the next goal. If we reach that, we will be able to unlock the community tab and the other features that YouTube offers us to turn this channel into a more engaging place. So keep that in mind. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, and also the raw clip that I just released. And other than that, just stay tuned. More music on the way. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.